Hello and welcome to the channel. Jamie here from JAYP Cars. As you can see, I have bought the Car Throttle Ford Focus. I bought this car for £750 from Money Pit Matt. I want you guys to tell me what you want to see done with the Car Throttle Ford Focus. So this is the car that Ethan bought for the £500 road trip challenge, where they did the NC 500 and it also did the SC 500 that they kind of came up with and started that at Cheddar Gorge. There is no grille there because Alex pulled it out with his tow bar.
My car! That's what you get.
Funnily enough, I've just bought myself a Golf, but it is not green. It's also the better engine as well with the 1.9 TDI. I think that this bit here on the front bumper was probably caused by the rock that Ethan decided to drive straight into. There's actually already quite a bit of history on this car because this is Dean's Millennium, and if you look at it up online you can see that this guy called Dean had this car previously before Ethan. This is a very specific yellow which was for the Millennium editions of the Focus and the Puma, and I think there's another one as well. I can't remember what car that was. Let me know in the comments below if you know. As you can see, it's got the wrong alloys on, and everyone comments on that because it's supposed to be the Millennium alloys, but it's not. But I do have a set, but I'm going to keep it on these for now because this is how the car is known. As you can see, a number of scuffs and scrapes and everything else because it's kind of just what this car was used for. It was used to be bumped into and wrecked a bit by the boys when they went on their trip. As you can see, the Land's End sticker and the John O'Groats sticker, the cutout for the exhaust where they put a straight pipe through on the car, and Ethan obviously was not very pleased with that because he's sensible. I don't know what's going on with this. I don't know if it doesn't work or I don't know, but I'm just going to leave it because I'm already locked out of the fuel. And then coming in here, Ethan's bottom sat there. Actually, I think all of them did.
This feels like a spaceship.
Coming around to the back, you can see where it has been stripped out for the camper van challenge.
Look, I'm in.
Yeah, that's your best bet, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm stuck. Annoyingly, for some reason, I did spend £5 on the budget on this clock.
Famous sunroof with the switch there, look at that.
What the f*** going on up here? Oh my god.
Oh yeah,
Where's all your roof line?
don't think these came with sunroofs, so someone decided to put one in.
And then this one's just been pulled out. I can't remember why that was.
We're going from this to a full-blown chandelier. Right, it's like Christmas.
But we're going to be going to a Cars and Coffee event at Morwellham Quay in Devon, and I'm going to be taking this beautiful specimen. YouTube viewers around the country absolutely love this car. I think it's because it just reminds them of good times, do you know what I mean? You're watching the guys running around do stupid shit, and that's what we love to see. Hellish wheel wobble at 0 miles an hour, by the way. Yeah, because the speeder doesn't work, so I've got no idea what speed I'm doing. It also does this weird thing where it nearly stalls at junctions and stuff. Oh, another yellow car! I've seen 3 today. Oh, God, it's died. It's literally just died. Well, as long as it starts up again, I suppose that's fine. Money Pit Matt had it up for sale, and I was like, Matt, I want it. Do you still have it? And we sorted it out, and he drove it down to me, which was very kind of him, because it was like a 9-hour round trip. So this is genuinely my first trip, so I've got no idea how it's going to go. It might go very badly. Oh no. I've died again. I literally died mid-drive. It is what it is. I like it, and oh, it's like little things like this. You've got the missing trim here where Alex just yanked it off because he wanted to.
This fake wood, that's
not fake wood.
That is fake.
That's 100% fake.
That's real. I'll prove it's fake. What are you doing?
Going up my first proper hill. Sounds good doing it though. Okay, the problem is now I've got a very angry Audi behind me that wants to drive very fast, but I cannot drive fast because I've got no idea what speed I'm doing, and this place around here is known for speed cameras. Maybe he just really wants to see the car and he's getting really close because the stickers will tell him that this is the genuine Ford Focus from Car Throttle. Or maybe not, maybe just an Audi driver. I've been there. We all like to be up each other's bums. Yeah, Audi's backed off from me now because I'm erratic. Maybe we go to Spain and drive back through France. That would be quite fun. Or Monaco. We did shake on it, Matt. We did. We're nearly at Morwellham Quay, and what a place to drive down to. Beautiful scenery. Well, as you can see, the Focus has made it. I don't know why I had any doubts. It's literally about 45 minutes up the road from where I live, and it's like it's driven the North Coast 500, the South Coast route, and all in between. And as you can see, it's been parked over there It's already gained a bit of attention from the guys that have been parking. It's quite an interesting place actually. I've never really looked into what it's all about, but it's an old quarry. A world where people had to actually work and not just post YouTube videos and stuff. Quarry it out, straight onto the boat slut. And we've got some weird looking ducks.
Spend 100. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. Eyes on a new building with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Bag route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down.
And so here it is many months later, the Ford Focus. As you can see, it's been sat here for quite a while. The grass is growing up around it. And the reason for this is that I drove the car back and it was absolutely fine, and then I left it here. Typical me, I drove it once and then I parked it up and then life got in the way and now it is sat here. And I need some help. I need to know what I should do with this car. One, I need to MOT it. So we will definitely be doing that at some point. But I need to know what I'm MOTing it for. What do you want to see done with the Car Throttle Ford Focus? Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and please do like the video. It helps push it up in the algorithm and more people will see it and be able to help us decide the fate of the Car Throttle Ford Focus. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.